Kambi mar Safaricom kokalo kuom bade mar MPESA olando sir mar $1,10,000,000 ne tim mar Shujaa kod Lionesses magin timbe mag Kenya mag rugby madhi gocho e laro kombe mar piny mangima HSBC. Tukego idhi bagi alap tuke manyayo ka Kenya bago tukego kuom thuolo mokwongo. Apisa mar Safaricom mochung' ne tudruok kembe Victor Odanda owacho ni en gi mor margi mar siro tukego, kowacho ni dwaro margi maduong' en miyo timbe mag Kenya mijing'o e tukego madhi kelo kanyakla timbe mawuok e piny mangima. Captain Ksh10M bende onyiso geno maduong' mar biro timo maber.
So, how do you do? You understand?
Of course, our chair has to be here to receive kits.
Today we are here to unveil the names and the new kit for the Lionesses and the Shujaa. A good squad of ladies, a good squad of gents, and trust you me, Saturday is going to be live. The 14th and 15th of this weekend, make sure you're there. For what we've seen, what they've done, I mean, ever since, I think you heard from the lady captain.
First, let me say thank you to MPESA. We've been walking this rugby journey for a long time. We've been working hard, playing in the finals, not qualifying. But since MPESA came in, we've qualified Division 2 now. And that made our girls settle because every single month we get our payments on time. And also, they give us credit. You're able to send credit to your parents at home. And also, this gives the ladies a calm mind to focus on playing.
So Mokweli says the pressure is there, especially the number, it's quite large. But we're gonna ask, we know what to do. When you go inside the pitch, we're gonna showcase what you're supposed to do. And above all, to make our fans happy. To make us Spain for 1 week, and your trip metusaidia sana because we know now our weaknesses. We came back to the drawing board to work on our weaknesses and to strengthen our strong point.